What is good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. I am your host, Big Dre, and as you can see, the voice recording on the video got a bit messed up, so I had to switch it up and do it on there, you know what I mean? But as you don't know, this channel is all about crypto, the metaverse, and football. But in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing because YouTube has sent me a little piece of something in it. They sent me a little few things. So I'm going to do a quick review, crack open the box, show you what's inside. And we're going to get straight into this video. And make sure you watch it all the way to the end because this is going to be ASMR. I know most of you will like ASMR. Now guys, I want to get at least 5 likes for this video. This month I've consistently got more than 5. So if we could keep that going, that'd be a new little target for me. So it looks good, you know what I'm saying? Alright, cool. So with hello man. Got my son in the background doing his own little thing there. He's coughing and all that. You wanna try it as well? Yeah. Alright, come, you could help me with the voiceover. Come. Let's go on YouTube, mate. Come. Come, you can say something. So as you guys can see, I got a little book there. This is gonna probably turn into just gonna be like just me talking over this video because I feel like. What's that?
I was doing it.
Go on, do it again. Don't shout in there. Go on. No, don't twist it. Just talk. When you can talk, just don't shout. Yeah, just don't shout.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
want a Godzilla tie.
Godzilla tie. No, don't mess with it too much because it's gonna make it very noisy. Careful. Don't mess with it too much. The reason why they put that there so it doesn't make too much noise. Yeah. No, that one doesn't need charge. It needs to plug it in. Wait, hold on. Daddy's supposed to be recording a video. Let me finish this because there's only 1 minute left. Okay? You gonna finish it? So as you guys see, almost done with this video. Had a little fisherman out there. Had to try it on for a little piece. Now this place, it's called Dark Sugars, I believe. The chocolates were very, very nice, can't lie. I recommend it to all of you guys, you feel me? That's man's got the little YouTube bag there. I'll probably end up turning out the name tag because it ain't my name. As you guys see, I got a name tag, Big Dre name tag, so thank you to YouTube. It's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Big Dre.